gonna pan around here. Pan around. I might catch you here.
Don't get me here, you're too close.
I'll get by you. Okay, full circle. Cancun over there. That's Cancun.
That's Cancun.
Yeah.
Let me get you jumping in here. You can jump in here.
I've got the camera right now.
All the camera.
Oh no, I'm going to be
Get your
facing the
ass in the
sun in a
water.
minute. I've been in the water.
I mean here.
I think I'm shooting into the sun. I better turn. I love this place. They have the best fish tacos and guacamole anywhere. They really do.
Yeah, sometime we'll be here for a month.
Oh yeah, I know.
A month.
I know. It won't be that long.
No, it won't.